Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to locate the Finder application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So, the first way to locate the Finder application, if you're on your desktop, Command N. This will open up a new Finder window. Let's close out of Finder. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. If we have Finder on the dock, let's just click on Finder. That's number 2. How to locate Finder. Command W to close. Let's also now use the Spotlight search. Command and space. Type the Finder application. Enter to open up Finder. And that's how you locate Finder using 3 different ways on a Mac computer. We can now close Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.